Hello and welcome to Cara Brandon Creations. I'm Cara Brandon, and today I'm going to share information about the Let's Get Organized collaboration and challenge. I'm super excited. I can't wait to get started because I really need to get organized and ready for 2022. So, what is the challenge? There's a group of crafty YouTubers who are going to be sharing their tips, tricks, and craft room tours and different ideas on how they organize throughout the month of January. The link and the dates for all of the different YouTubers is in the description, so check that out. There's also a link for you if you want to print out the names and the dates, that kind of thing. What I would suggest is kind of still check on the description videos just in case things shift throughout the month, because you never know, things might come up. But it is there if you want to print it out. And we're going to have, along with all of the YouTubers sharing their videos, we're going to have a hashtag so that we can kind of check everyone out that way as well. And the hashtag is hashtag LGO2022. And the L, G, and O are all capitalized because lowercase l look like an I. So it's LGO 2022 is the hashtag. So you can search for that and like on Instagram and different things and follow that post, and then you can see other people's pictures and progress and all that kind of stuff. So that's really fun. All right. During the month, I am going to post a video each Monday giving prompts. And hopefully the prompts will help motivate you and also help break the task of cleaning up a gigantic mess that you might have in your space into smaller chunks that are more manageable and, you feel like you want to tackle and accomplish. So this week is to get a box, a trash bag, and a notebook. The box is so you can toss things in that don't even belong in your craft space. So maybe, like for me, I have some of my daughter's stuff that actually needs to go to her room. There's stuff that needs to go back to the kitchen, that kind of thing. So I'm just going to toss it in the box, and then I'll be able to put it away at a later time. And then I need a trash bag because a lot of stuff I'm going to have to just throw away. If I can recycle, I will, but some of it's got to go. And the other thing that we want to kind of keep in mind through the month is if there's stuff that you're wanting to give away or donate, set that aside. So maybe you need 2 boxes that you can set that stuff aside. For the Facebook group, Cara Brandon and Friends, in February, our monthly challenge will be February Flow Journal. So it'll be really a great way to use the stuff that you're wanting to donate in the February Flow Journal. So if there's a way that you want to keep it, kind of store your rack or your stuff that you want to give away in a box. All right, so a box, trash bag, notebook. And then the notebook is so you can jot down notes as you watch the videos of, hey, this is a great idea, or, things to kind of help trigger your memory, and so you can remind yourself at a later time when you're at that stage of organizing that, oh yeah, I really liked this idea. Also write down the YouTube name and the date. So if you want to refer back, you have that in your notebook. The other thing I think is a good idea that I'm going to actually be doing later today is in my notebook, I'm going to write down things that I think that I want to keep, that I like as far as how I'm organizing them. Maybe it's your paints, or maybe it's your scraps, or your lace, or whatever it might be. Write down those things that you say, I like this, I want to keep this system, it's working for me. And then also write down the things that you're like, this is not working at all, and jot those things down, so then that can be your focus of, how you want to kind of change things up. The real purpose of this collaboration kind of came out of Kelly and I, Mudhut2880, chatting Facebook Messenger and saying, I love all this crafting and it's so fun during the holidays, but then you just get overwhelmed, right? You just feel bogged down with all the stuff and the mess. And I thought, like, wouldn't it be nice to get it all organized coming into the new year so that you want to go into your craft room and enjoy your space and feel inspired and have your creative juices flowing. So that's the real reason for this collaboration and this challenge, is to get our space into a place that that helps us create and wants us to be inspired. When it looks and feels like this, it's not very inspiring. I don't really enjoy coming in here when it's like this. So that's a big reason for this challenge and this collaboration, is to just reset, right? Just get us ready for a new year of creating. And getting ideas from others is always wonderful. And I think having the other people in the collaboration share their ideas will help motivate us throughout the month as well. So I'm really excited. So that's a big part of the collaboration. All right. What else am I missing? Oh, I did kind of mention the Facebook group, Cara, Brandon, and Friends. If you join Cara, Brandon, and Friends, if you want to, we're also going to be doing the challenge for the month in the group, and we'll be posting like before and during and after pictures, again, for more motivation and saying, hey, you're doing a great job, because it feels good to like say, hey, I did that, and then it just kind of adds and you keep going. So we will be posting pictures. I'll have the prompts that I'm talking about also in the group, as well as in the description. So if you want another community to kind of connect with and see what other people are doing, go ahead and join Cara, Brandon, and Friends. The link is also in the description. There are also going to be prizes for the folks who watch all the videos. So if you like and subscribe, I had comment, but you don't necessarily need to comment. But if you subscribe and like all of the different videos throughout the month, then I think it's February 7th, I'm going to draw for prizes. And I'm going to mention more about the prizes next week, as I'm still kind of getting the gals together to say, oh, y'all contribute this or that. So I'll let you know next Monday what the actual prizes will be. And instead of one winner, I was thinking that multiple winners would be awesome. So I think that'd be great. All right, so that's to come. That's the challenge part, is that you watch throughout the month and like and subscribe and show the gals support for, sharing their space. This might not be the easiest thing for folks to share. So, yeah. All right, so that's the challenge. Also, again, Cara, Brandon, and Friends. The link is in the description if you want, to see how people are doing. And the hashtag is also another way to follow along with the challenge as well. All right, if you have questions, because I feel like I'm forgetting something, but if you have questions, post them down below and I can address them in the comments and or the video next Monday. All right, tomorrow, Mud Hut 2880 kicks off with the first video, second video, but the first crafty room. So, all right. I'm excited, and let's do this. Let's get ready for 2022. All right, have a wonderfully crafty day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.